High in the mountains of southern Colorado, there's a place where history, wilderness, and comfort come together. Welcome to Million Ranch, a rare legacy property in the South Fork River Valley. The story began in 1865, when prospector Oscar Lewis Million first laid claim to this land. Since then, it has been carefully preserved, a piece of Colorado's past, now ready to shape its future. Today, Million Ranch offers over 19 acres of private mountain ground, bordered on two sides by the Rio Grande National Forest. It's more than a backyard. It's direct access to thousands of acres of untouched wilderness, a privilege few properties can offer. At its heart stands the main residence, a thoughtfully renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. Here, mountain character meets modern design, creating a welcoming retreat built for comfort and built to last. Adding to its charm, a beautifully restored 1915 guest house with 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Perfect for family, friends, or guests who want their own mountain hideaway. It's not just history preserved, it's history enjoyed. The property also boasts a historic barn, a true centerpiece of ranch living, sturdy, functional, and full of character. It adds depth and authenticity that few estates can match. Million Ranch is rich with water, holding senior water rights, trout-stocked ponds, and irrigated pastures. More than 400 feet of private river frontage bring unmatched beauty and endless opportunity. Whether you dream of fishing, agriculture, or simply a sanctuary beside the water, adventure begins right at the fence line. From hunting and hiking to horseback riding deep into the National Forest, every season here offers a new way to live, explore, and thrive. And while Million Ranch offers seclusion, it's never far from convenience. Just minutes away, you'll find the welcoming town of South Fork, the renowned slopes of Wolf Creek ski area, and the untamed beauty of the Weminuche and La Garita wilderness. Million Ranch is more than land. It's a private retreat, a historic estate, and a rare chance to own a true piece of Colorado's mountain legacy. For those who seek history, beauty, and adventure, this is where it all comes together.